Thank you for joining Ride Fit Nation, hosted by Sensei. This is where you ride your ride and leave the excuses on the road. Our mission on this channel is to go for miles, money, and muscle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let's go.
All right, let's get to the point. It's Daytona, right? We're heading out to Daytona. Some of you is already out there, but this video is only for those of you who are leaving Thursday. Maybe you're leaving today. So I'm going to go over a quick list of some of the things that you should have. This is video number 3 of the things that you should have. It's going to be a fast video. I'm not going to waste a lot of your time. Let's get right to the point. First thing is painkillers. Grab yourself some painkillers. I don't care what you use, Tylenol, ibuprofen, aspirin, whatever you're using, grab that, right? Take it before you take your ride. Take it at least, I would say, an hour before you jump on your bike, okay? That's going to help a lot with the pain, I promise you. A lot of y'all don't think about that. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I'm just telling you what I do, okay? Another thing to have is a long sleeve shirt. Grab yourself a shirt that is long sleeve, right? This is from my club. This is one of the stuff that we ride with. So grab yourself a long sleeve shirt. Why you want to have a long sleeve shirt? Because the sun will tear your skin up. Sometimes, like, I'm good with short sleeve when I'm riding, but having the option to put something on, yes, I know it's going to be hot going into Florida or wherever you might be going for the summer. And I know it's going to be hot, but have something that's long that will protect your skin from that sun. The next thing is have some T-shirts, right? Always bring T-shirts. T-shirts is going to be your bread and butter of your trip. So you grab at least 4 T-shirts. We're leaving Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and we head back Sunday morning, okay? So that's going to be 3 full days, 2 full days actually, but you want to have T-shirts, 4 to 5 T-shirts. T-shirts are light. They don't take up a lot of space whatsoever. Another thing is, too, bring an extra pair of jeans. Pack light. You don't need to pack heavy. An extra pair of jeans, the jeans you're going to have on, and another pair of jeans you're going to have. You never know if it's going to get messed up, dirty. You might go to an event that you don't know about. I always have a black pair of jeans with me. Black goes with everything there is. Now, look at those 3 articles of clothing already, and look at how small that pack is, okay? Another thing is, too, let's talk about footwear, your boots. I like to wear boots when I'm riding. I normally have higher boots, but I just got these because I want some new pair of boots. I don't want to be killing people in the hotel room with my stinky feet, right? So you want to make sure that when you take your shoes off, you ain't stinking up the room, all right? Respect your brothers, okay? Now, these boots have a very strong toe. They're for riding, and the reason why I want you to wear boots when you're riding is you have a lot of things flying up. Gravel, all that stuff is flying up, and it will smack you in your feet, okay? So these boots will protect you. But now when you get to your location, you should have a pair of sneakers. A pair of sneakers is not gonna hurt you. You can have sneakers or flip-flops. I have ugly toes. I'm gonna opt for sneakers. Keep ugly toes hidden. Nah, I'm playing. I got ugly toes, but that don't stop me from putting on flip-flops, all right? So you could put on sneakers or you could put on your flip-flops. I told you I'm going through this list pretty quickly, okay? Another thing to have that's on my list, I don't have it down here, is underwear. Pack at least 5 pairs of underwear, 5 to 6, because first of all, when you're taking that ride, you're sitting there the whole time, you're going to get funky. So that's one already done. Then you got the other ones for you to freshen up for the day. You want to keep yourself feeling fresh, feeling clean. I don't care if you're a man or a woman. Nobody want to have your nutsack all messed up and all that. And ladies, you don't want to have your private spot all jacket either. You want to make sure you have fresh underwears on, okay? T-shirts, could be T-shirts, by the way, or tank tops. Now, here's the thing that most of you don't think about. Your bags. Grab yourself some bags. Get yourself a touring bag, okay? For me, I just picked this bag up from Facebook Marketplace. I paid $40 for this set. This is tea bags. And these bags are excellent because this bag just attaches right to the back of my backrest on the bike, and it straps around, it locks in place, and I could put all kinds of stuff in this bag. I got my laptop right here. So why am I doing that? Because I know they're going to have vendors there. So if I happen to buy some extra stuff, right, I'm going to have space in my King Tour pack to put more things. So the bag is just awesome. Also, what I like about this specific bag, there's a little strap here that I take it out, and boom, you hook it in, and it becomes a book bag. So I could carry all of my stuff into the hotel room and not worry about anything else, okay? So that's the list for this. Guys, let's go over painkillers, the bag, the long sleeve shirt, the extra pair of jeans. Oh, some shorts. Bring some shorts. I'm going to be out there with my skinny legs, enjoying that sun. bring some shorts. You might go to the beach, wherever you're going. Bring shorts, okay? Sneakers or flip-flop, T-shirts, or a tank top. And that's my list. So leave a comment. I can't wait to see you guys down there in Daytona. I'm looking forward to connecting with all of y'all. All right, so remember, look out for the orange bike and look out for Sensei and look out for Iron Bread. All right, if you see anybody walking around with an Iron Bread patch on, you go up to them and say, yo, I'm such and such, and we follow Ride Fit Nation. You know, mention the name Sensei. All right, so we out. Peace. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, share these videos. Later. And by the way, what we're going after? The miles, the money, and the muscle. Right? You big head. Mwah. Get out of here, punk.